Hello everyone! So these are my small Walgreens haul for this week, July 12 to July 18 of 2020. So I just only pick up some of the items, especially the Tide, because I had coupons that I want to use before it expired. And first, I wanted to share to you what I pick up. So I bought some Arizona green tea because I love drinking green tea. So Arizona green tea is 2 for 1. So I pick up 4 for $2. It's 50 cents each. And then I pick up also the Head and Shoulders. So the Head and Shoulders is on sale for $5.99. And when you buy 2, you will get $3 register reward. So I'm so happy that I pick up some Head and Shoulders because there is a glitch in the Head and Shoulders coupon. I gave a $3 coupon from last week, PNG insert. And then I clip also my $3 coupon for Head and Shoulders, and they are both came out. So the digital and the July 5th insert came out. And so the two Head and Shoulders are, this is the note, it's $5.99, so the two are $11.98. And then I gave the $3 coupon from last week, so the total are $8.98, and the digital coupon also came out. So I paid $5.98 because 2 coupons came out, and I'm so blessed and happy that there's a glitch in the coupon. And then I got $3 register reward for buying 2 Head and Shoulders. So my final cost after deducting the register reward and the coupons are $2.98 or $1.49 each. So I pick up the twin one. It's so hard sometimes to get a nice deal when it comes to Head and Shoulders. And then I pick up also the Garnier Fructis. It's 2 for $7. And there is $4 digital coupon in Walgreens app. So I pick up the 2-in-1. And this is my note for the Garnier. So the 2 are $7, and then I use the $4 digital coupon. My final cost are $3 or $1.50 each. So there is no extra points or reward for the Garnier. I just pick it this shampoo because I had a coupon that I want to use. And then I pick up also the all liquid detergent, and I use the $1 digital coupon that I clip in my Walgreens app. And there is a $1 butter rebate also for all detergent, and I don't know if this one is included. I'm gonna try to scan the receipt later and see if it's included, because I clip also in Ibotta the all detergent. So this is my note for the detergent. So it's $2.99, and I use a digital coupon, so I paid $1.99. And then I pick up also the Tide Pods. So the Tide Pods is on sale for $4.99, and I use the $2 digital coupon for Tide Pods. So I paid $2.99 after using the digital coupon. So next is the Tide Liquid. So Tide Liquid is on sale. It's $4.99 also. So I pick up 3 Tide because I had 3 different coupons for each. So this is the note for that, and there is kinda some error in the coupons, but I'll explain it. So the Tide Liquid is $4.99, so the 3 are $14.97. So I use 1 digital coupon. I use 1 coupon from last week. I use also 1 printable coupon from the PNG website. So the total for 3 are $8.97 after the coupon, or $2.99 each. So after I paid it, the coupons that came out is the $3 for the Big Tide. Because I clip also the $3 for the 92 to 100 ounce Tide liquid, and the $2 digital coupon, the 2 coupons also that I gave to the cashier, it did not came out. So I called the customer service, and when she checked the receipt and also the coupon, she said that I used the valid coupon. The digital is still there in my app. It did not came out. And she checked also that I used 2 different coupon, the printable and also the coupon from the Sunday insert. And then I said to her that since the $3 for the Big Tide liquid came out already, it's fine to me if she will just give me back the 3,000 points or $3, because I used 3 coupons equivalent to $6. And she is very kind, and she said, I will just give you 4,000 points instead of 3,000 points. So I'm very happy with that. So she gave me 4,000 additional points for the 2 coupon that did not came out. And there's $3 here already, so it's like I earned $1 for the coupons. And thank you so much to the customer service of Walgreens. And then here, the Head and Shoulders in the coupon, the $3 is the coupons that I gave, like this. So I still have 1. And also in the lower part, it's the digital coupon came out also. So there is a glitch in the Head and Shoulder. Digital and insert came out. So my subtotal are $27.93 and $1.56 tax. So the total are $29.49. So I redeemed 20,000 points or $20 from my beauty event last week. And then I paid $9.49 cash, because you can only use 20,000 points or $20 in this deal. And in this deal also, I got 5,000 points for the beauty, because I had remaining points last time. So I hit now the beauty, so I got 5,000 points, and I got also 2,070 points from 10 times everyday points when you spend 20. So this is, so I paid $9.49 with tax. I get $3 reward from Head and Shoulders. So this is the $3 reward from the Head and Shoulders for buying 2. And then I got also $5 or 5,000 points for beauty, and $2 or 2,070 points for 10 times everyday points when you spend 20. And then I get back 4,000 points or $4 for the Tide coupon that did not came out. So the total are $14 I gained in this deal. And I only paid $9.49 out of pocket, making it $4.51 money maker in this deal. So I'm so happy and pleased because I got 3 Tide laundry detergent. I got Tide Pods. I got all. I got 2 Garnier. I got 2 Head and Shoulders and 4 Arizona green tea. And I got registered reward here. So thank you so much guys for watching, and sorry about my voice. I'm not feeling well today. That's why I cannot do CVS couponing this week. I need to take rest because I have coming doctor's appointment. My oncologist need to check me. And I do hope you include me, guys, in your prayer that I can win this battle, my cancer battle. And I need all the prayers that I can get. I do have also upcoming bone scan and also a bone injection because of the cancer are spread already in my bones. So please, guys, pray for me also that I can I can stand in my feet every day. So thank you so much, guys, and please be safe always, and God bless us all.